Hey friends, if you wish to install and use Microsoft PowerToys on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now the best way to install it is through the Microsoft Store. So either open it through the taskbar itself or search for it in the Windows search bar and open it. And then search for PowerToys in the search bar. Do not try the other methods because they have their own problems. Now click on Microsoft PowerToys and then click on install. This is very important for downloading Visual Studio and other utilities. It actually pushes a lot of powerful utilities to the system, and that's why it's called PowerToy. So it's downloading and we'll wait till it downloads and then we will install it. Once it is installed on your system, it will be launched, and after it is launched, you will notice a lot of options on the list on the left hand side. So here's the thing, it is an excellent utility manager, and it has been manufactured by Microsoft itself, so it can be very helpful. Now you must have heard about the God mode, which organizes everything on your system. It is very similar, like you have the keyboard manager here, you have the mouse utilities here. Obviously if you click on open settings, it will take you to the settings page, but this has organized everything for your computer here. The screen ruler, the text extractor, a lot of these applications were not already on the system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.